Hello, what is up everybody? Today I want to make this video for the people who don't understand market caps in investing. Now, I've run across a lot of people like this on YouTube and other social media platforms who don't understand market caps. So this first guy says it's coming for gold. I say, nah, I got Bitcoin, but it isn't happening. Gold gained Bitcoin's entire market cap plus some just in the past 5 months. It's nice to dream though, buddy. So what this guy's implying is that Bitcoin's market cap is going to pass gold because if we look at the post up above, it's showing these companies and then Bitcoin's market cap that's up there with these companies. However, this if you live in reality and understand market caps is not possible. However, this random dude says, "Bro, if Bitcoin is worth 100 to 200,000, then we'll see, lol." And then I reply, "Do you not know how math works? Even at 500,000, Bitcoin would still have a lower market cap than gold." So anyways, let's go to the market caps here and see. So Bitcoin's current market cap is 1.35 trillion. So the entirety of the Bitcoin network is worth 1.35 trillion. Now if we go to gold's market cap, it's worth over 18 trillion. So that's over 10 times what Bitcoin's market cap is. And if we look at Bitcoin's market cap. So if we look at Bitcoin's price, it's 68,000. So for Bitcoin to do a 10x, it'd have to become worth 680,000. Yet this dummy in the comments thinks if Bitcoin hits 100, 200,000, it'll pass gold. That's just not happening. And as we look here, this is why Bitcoin and gold get more stable as the years go on because their market caps get higher. So if you look at Bitcoin in the past, Bitcoin went from what right here, just within a year from $100 to $1,000 because its market cap was so much lower. Bitcoin in 2017 went from $1,000 all the way up to almost $20,000. However, if we look at Bitcoin, its lowest point in 2022, it went from 16,000 only up to what 70,000. So that's a lot smaller of a gain, and that's because its market cap keeps getting larger and larger. So to make a dent in Bitcoin, there has to be more and more money. It's the same thing with gold. The benefit to having a higher market cap, though, is that as these assets get larger and larger, they become more secure. So if you have a higher market cap, obviously it's harder for it to go up, but it's also harder for it to go down. So that's why I like gold so much because gold is that sweet spot where it's got such a high market cap where it's extremely safe, but it's also got a lot of room for growth. If we look at the US debt is what about to hit 36 trillion. So that's pretty much double. That's over double what gold's market cap is just in the US debt, and gold is a global global asset. Russia buys it, China buys it, their governments, like everyone in the world can buy gold, but just the US debt alone is at 36 trillion. So gold still has a lot of room for growth. However, it's extremely secure and safe. See, Bitcoin's the same way, but Bitcoin is only 15 years old, and you got to think gold in the past month gained like a 1.5 trillion dollars to its market cap just in 5 months. Bitcoin spent 15 years getting to 1.35. So gold is in no way scared of Bitcoin at all. Bitcoin is no threat to gold. Like, Bitcoin has a long, long way to go. And whether it hits 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, it's still going to have a much smaller market cap than gold. But a lot of people, for some reason, don't understand how market caps work. They just look at the price and they see price go up faster than gold. So Bitcoin must catch up to gold. That's such a primitive way of thinking. Like that's not what's gonna happen, man. You got to look at the market cap gains, not the price gains. If you want to calculate, is the market cap gonna take over gold? It's not. It's not. The whole reason why Bitcoin the past 15 years, Bitcoin the past 15 years, look at the percentage gain it had. This is the percentage gain it had. So if you would have invested in Bitcoin, that's the percentage. Like that's an insane percentage gain, obviously, right? And meanwhile, gold in the past 15 years was probably much smaller than that. Maybe it was 300, 400%. Look at that. That's like, I can't even read that. What is that? That's 110 million percent the past 15 years it's grown. However, if we look at the market cap, it's a completely different story. It's the market cap's grown 110 million percent, but the problem to that is its market cap is 1.35 trillion. It's not going to do another 110 million percent in the next 15 years, obviously, because 110 million percent would put the market cap into the hundreds of quadrillions, probably even past 100 quadrillion. There isn't even that much money on Earth. Like that's not happening. So yeah, Bitcoin was a new asset 15 years ago. Gold has existed for thousands of years before humanity was even on this earth. That's why gold obviously hasn't had that insane gain, but Bitcoin can't continue that because Bitcoin is no longer brand new, right? Bitcoin's at 1.35 trillion now. Gold's at 18 trillion. Just because Bitcoin got that in 15 years doesn't mean it's catching up to gold. Gold got that in 5 months. So, let's be realistic here.